According to ancient Hindu texts, gods traversed between worlds through celestial pathways. Were these divine beings actually using what modern science calls wormholes? The evidence hidden in Sanskrit texts is both startling and profound. The ancient Hindu epic Mahabharata describes Arjuna's journey to Indralok, the realm of the gods. The text details how the divine chariot carried him through the pathway of the stars. This wasn't slow travel, it was instantaneous movement between worlds. Vedas, humanity's oldest texts, speaks of cosmic doorways that connected different realms of existence. Gods entered these passages and emerged elsewhere in the universe. Sound familiar? Modern physicists call these theoretical cosmic shortcuts wormholes, bridges connecting distant parts of space-time. The Vedic concept of Akash described space not as empty but as a fundamental field connecting all points in the universe. Hindu sages understood that space could be folded, allowing for instant travel between distant locations. This mirrors Einstein's theory that space-time can be warped and connected. In Sanskrit texts, we find descriptions of the cosmic medium through which gods traveled. This wasn't empty space, but a complex network of energy channels. When deities like Indra needed to travel, they didn't move through space, they folded it. The Pushpaka Vimana could travel as fast as thought itself. This divine aircraft carried Lord Rama across vast distances instantly. The text describes how it didn't actually cross physical space but moved through doorways in the fabric of reality itself. Ancient temple carvings across India show gods emerging from swirling vortices. At Ellora caves, intricate carvings depict divine beings traveling through tunnel-like structures, with stars visible within. These aren't artistic flourishes, they're visual records of how ancient people understood cosmic travel. Hindu cosmology divided the universe into 14 dimensions. Gods could access pathways between these dimensions at specific cosmic junctions. The texts describe these junctions as places where the veil between worlds thins, remarkably similar to what modern physics calls Einstein-Rosen bridges or wormholes. The most intriguing evidence comes from the Puran, which describe divine beings who could appear simultaneously in multiple locations. This wasn't considered magic but a natural ability of those who understood the hidden connections in the universe. Today we know that theoretical wormhole physics might allow matter to exist in multiple spaces simultaneously. Lord Shiva's weapon, the trident, was said to pierce the three worlds. This wasn't just poetic language. The weapon supposedly created temporary passages between cosmic realms. Ancient texts describe how these passages created distortions in space, similar to what wormhole theories predict. Lord Krishna reveals his cosmic form to Arjuna, showing the entire universe contained within his body. This vision showed how all points in space were connected within a greater cosmic framework, a stunning parallel to modern understandings of space-time as an interconnected fabric. The concept of navel of the universe appears repeatedly in Vedic literature. These were specific points where cosmic energy concentrated, creating natural doorways between worlds. Today's physicists propose that extreme concentrations of energy could potentially create micro-wormholes. The Vedas speak of cosmic tunnels connecting different planes of existence. Gods traveled through these tunnels using their divine vehicles. These descriptions match theoretical models of traversable wormholes, cosmic tunnels connecting distant regions through a higher dimension. Ancient Hindu texts weren't just recording stories, they were documenting observations of phenomena their authors couldn't fully explain with the science of their time. The parallels between ancient descriptions of divine travel and modern wormhole theory are too precise to dismiss as coincidence. Were the gods of ancient India actually advanced beings who understood cosmic physics far beyond their time? Did they harness natural wormholes to travel between worlds? Or did ancient sages somehow intuitively grasp cosmic principles that modern science is only now rediscovering? The answer may lie hidden in plain sight within texts written thousands of years ago. As we continue deciphering these ancient records, we inch closer to understanding whether the gods really did travel through wormholes and what that might mean for humanity's future among the stars.